Former ARRL Southeastern Division Director Frank Butler, Whiskey 4 Romeo Hotel, has become silent key. He passed away at age 100. Butler was an ARRL member for at least 78 years. He served 29 years as the ARRL Southeastern Division Director until his retirement from 50 years of service as an elected official of ARRL in 2007. He began his elected service as the Western Florida Section Communications Manager in 1957. At the second meeting of the ARRL Board of Directors in 2007, Butler was recognized for his generous donation to the newly dedicated Diamond Terrace at ARRL headquarters. The Diamond Terrace includes inscribed bricks as memorials and honors donated by hundreds of radio amateurs and clubs. Butler's donation honors his family and mentors. Butler was an ARRL Life member and a member of the ARRL Maximum Society of the Benefactor class. He was an ARRL Honorary Vice President. He was in the Alpha 1 Operators Club. Butler remained active in ARRL events, particularly in the southeastern United States. Even after his time on the board, he volunteered in the ARRL exhibit at the 2024 Orlando Hamcation. Social media was filled with posts from hams remembering Butler, including a group photo from the Playground Amateur Club on Instagram. ARRL President Rick Roderick, Kilo 5 Uniform Romeo, described Butler as a gracious man, saying, quote, "I never heard him raise his voice, nor say a bad word to anyone. I served with Frank on various committees and assignments over the years where his leadership and steady guidance was valued by all," end quote, said Roderick. We remember Frank Butler, Whiskey 4 Romeo Hotel, silent key.